Hi everyone, I just wanted to keep y'all up to date on what we'll be focusing on in the classroom these upcoming weeks. So our new theme is kindness, friendship, and love. A general overview is that we'll begin talking about kindness, friendship, and love this week. As we move into February and Valentine's Day, we will talk about what it means to be kind and how to love our friends. Some books that we have in our classroom library are Try a Little Kindness, Can I Play Too?, The Bernstein Bears Kindness Counts, and Llama, Llama, I Love You. But we often trade with classes, so we have a wide variety of books that students can learn about kindness, friendship, and love. Some songs that we'll be singing are Rise and Shine, which we do in our morning meeting every morning, The Fruit of the Spirit, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and Wheels on the Bus. Those are some songs we like to sing in the hallway as we transition from the classroom to go to specials. In our sensory bin, we'll have some colorful rice, red, purple, and pink, with some cups and some scoops and some hearts to get in the spirit of Valentine's Day. And during group time, we will fill a kindness jar with acts of kindness that the kids come up with, and we will refer to that every time we talk about kindness. Some crafts that we will be doing, we will do some with hearts to work on shape recognition. We're going to do friendship bracelets to work on fine motor skills. We'll do a friendship tree. We'll paint students' hands to do handprints. Colorful fish, talk about how sharing is caring, and talk about what toys we share in the classroom. We will do pom-pom painting to help with fine motor skills, and we'll do some heart stamping with some toilet paper rolls that are molded into the shape of hearts. Some skills that we'll be assessing as we do these crafts are fine motor skills with focusing on how students grip the paintbrush, crayons, markers, etc. We'll focus on color recognition. The main colors that we will be talking about are red, purple, and pink. We'll work on some shape recognition, in particular hearts, since it is the season of love, and number recognition. We will have a center in the room where students can match numbers on hearts. In our dramatic play, we have one area of the room that is centered on dramatic play, but we like to see what other areas students can get creative with. So in the kitchen area, students love to cook food together, bake cookies, they love to sit at the table and eat together. Students are able to dress up and use their creativity with the costumes. A lot of students love to play with the fire trucks and dump trucks and pretend that they're either firefighters or construction workers. Or they love to help clean with the vacuum cleaner, and then they love to mow the grass, the pretend grass in our room. And then we also have baby dolls, which they can dress up, they can feed, and they can take care of. And that's how we will focus on using our gentle hands and being kind to our babies. The specials that we'll have this week: on Monday, we will have music and Bible, and then the following week we'll have library, and then on Tuesday and Wednesday we'll have motor lab and Spanish, and then the same schedule on Thursday as we had on Monday. Some crafts that we have. This is our sensory bin that we'll have. This is the hearts with numbers and the matching, so students can work on their number recognition. This is our sharing is caring fish. So it said, this example was, I am a good friend because I share my toys. This is a heart, which we will cut up in pieces and spell out each student's name, and it will help students learn the letters in their name. And then this one is pom-pom painting. We're going to use clothespins and put pom-poms on them, and then students can dip the pom-poms in paint and paint all over their heart. And then our friendship tree, which each student will get to choose what color they want, and they will stamp their hand on a tree. Some upcoming events that we have are Spirit Day is February 8th, and then class parties for Monday, Wednesday's class are on Monday, February 13th, and then Tuesday, Thursday group, your Valentine's Day party is on February 14th, which is actual Valentine's Day. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. But as of now, y'all are all up to date. Thanks.